tried that, or have you ever wondered how to do it? Stay tuned. Daisy, would you like to go for a ride? Did you say you want to go for a ride? You do? You want to ride? Okay. All right. Well, we're going to talk about it. We're going to get it done. So the first thing we're going to need to be able to do to take Daisy for a ride, is we're going to need to put something on her that will keep her safe. Stay. So, all right. So the first thing I wanted to say, sit, is if you're going to take your puppy for a ride in the back of the truck, you don't want a collar that goes around the neck. You want something that's can hold the puppy in the back with a leash that won't choke her if she tries to pull away. So that's why we have the body. All right, here's the back of the truck, and here's Daisy. Daisy, are you ready to go for a ride? Sit. Daisy, sit. All right, you stay right there. Oh, I think you're ready to go for a ride. The problem is you can't get in. You know, I was looking for a board, but I don't think we're going to find one, and I think I'm just going to have to pick you up. Okay, hold on. Sit. All right. Here, put your feet up. There we go. You're not so heavy. Golden retriever fur. Oh my goodness. Going to be Daisy's first ride in the truck, so I'm sure she's wondering how exactly this is going to work. Well, I'm going to show you what I rigged up. If you look right down here, you can see a little loop installed into the toolbox right there, and that is what we're going to hook Daisy to, just the right length so that she can't get to the over the sides of the truck, which would be dangerous. So we're going to let her go over to the side, but not over the side. So it's going to have to be just the perfect length leash. So we're going to try hooking that up right now. And here we go. Alrighty, for those of you who'd like to see how this hook is secured inside the truck, we're going to try to set you up with that. On the inside of the toolbox, it looks like this. It's a 5/16 eye bolt with a washer and a locking nut on there. And that's all there is to it. And then on the outside, I've got the eye bolt. Let's see if we can get this in here. Yep. With the washer and a rubber washer as well. Let's see, will that focus? Here we go, going for a ride. Okay, I'm not sure if either one of us know what to think about this new ride, but we did make it around the yard.